What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new episode. This is an RV maintenance. Not that I'm a pro or anything, I'm just showing you what I need to do. So today is Sunday, September 12th. My original plan was to finish the RV plumbing, and then I was gonna wash the RV roof in preparation for getting the solar panels screwed down. I wanted the roof to be nice and clean, and in preparation for washing the roof and everything, I just wanted to check all my seals. So that leads us to where we're at right now. So Winnebago has a cap system that this is a fiberglass cap, and it rolls over the edge and then tucks behind the gutter. So this is your gutter here, this is the fiberglass cap, and it rolls and tucks. It's not screwed except for right here, and it's loose, it's not bonded or anything. And then you have this adhesive sealant that's in here that's supposed to act as a sealant and also adhere the cap down to the gutter and hold it in place. This is what I have to replace, because when I was checking the other side and now checking this side, you can see, look, I can press and I just moved the seal off. So that's not good. Right there. And basically I have a lot of spots where I can push in, and that means that water could get in. So I basically have to do the whole length of this side. I've already done the other side, I'll show you that after, but I'm going to use my scraping tool and basically just scrape here, scrape inside, and then just take this sealant out. Like so. I'll obviously do a better job when I have two hands and not holding a camera, but I'm going to remove that. And then I have 3M marine adhesive sealant. This is fast cure 4200, so it cures in 24 hours because I want to wash the roof tomorrow. It's for joints and rub rails on boats. Now I'm using the 3M product because it's what I have access to, and when I went on to the Winnebago parts catalog and site, there's a special compound that they say it's like stone and masonry compound joint. Yeah, so I can't find that anywhere, and I went on a bunch of forums saying it's almost impossible and that it's made in Canada, it's not being imported anymore, and Winnebago switched to a new sealant. So I'm using the 3M marine adhesive sealant because I've used this on our boat and it works below the water line, which means you could drill a hole in your boat to put something, fill this with the 3M 4200, let it cure, and it's not going to leak. And I have done stuff where I've used 4200 in wet applications and it doesn't leak, and it's a super really good adhesive sealant. So this is high strength and it's considered medium grade. Obviously 5200 means it's like it's on there, never coming off. 4200, there's some flexibility with it, and we can use this here and it can still be scraped off. So that's why I'm going with 4200. I used one tube on the other side, so I should be good with one tube for this side. So I'm just going to do a little bit of scraping, and then I'll show you how I'm going to apply it. It's pretty simple. You just fill in the void, and then I just use my finger. Whoop, and that's it. Like that sound effect? All right, so here we go. I got work to do. The other side took me about an hour and 20 minutes. So yeah, I was just taking my time. Didn't want to rush it, and I wanted to do a good, proper job. All right, here we go. Alright, so I got about a 6-foot section done. I'm just going to run my bead of caulk. Make sure I get it in there. I'm also going to cover this section where the gutter is. Build a little bead on top, cover the screw. Alright, so there you can see there's the bead. That's what I built up. So I'm just going to use my finger. And then I usually come back, if I have a little extra, I'll just try and build up if it was a little light in a spot. I'm just going to clean up the face with some paper towel, and I have mineral spirits. That's what you need for the 4200. And then I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm going to work all the way down the RV. Alright, so I have about 1.5 feet left to do there at the end, but you can see it's pretty much already starting to dry up, and that's how it looks. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So that's it for doing the sealant around the cap and gutter for our 2008 Winnebago Sightseer 35J. So as always, just always check what your manufacturer recommendation says and use the sealant that they say to use. But as far as I'm concerned, 3M 4200 is bulletproof, so that's what I went with. It's already curing up. It'll be cured by tomorrow. I'll be able to wash the roof, so that should be good. All right, that's it for this quick little video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and if you think I did a piss poor job, you can leave a comment also. Please hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, follow along on our RV adventures. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. To our new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. To all our loyal subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around. We really do appreciate it. And if you visit our website, wandertogetlost.com, you could get one of these shirts and support us. We have a bunch of merchandise on there. And also, if you do leave a comment on this video, you'll be entered into the raffle to win a free shirt. All right, that was a lot. Have a great day, everybody. See you on the next video.